Honor has officially confirmed the launch date for its next foldable phone, Magic V5 foldable launch event for July 2nd in China. Honor has now shared our first official look at the device in its folded state. It looks impossibly thin, and we can also notice a big camera island and now leaks hands-on unboxing video. Honor Magic V5. The device appears to be equipped with a large, round camera module on the back. Honor Magic V5 is come in red, gold, and black, white color. The Magic V5 will be just 8.8mm when folded. It is 4.1mm when unfolded, continuing to set a new record for thinness and lightness. The phone will weigh 217 grams. The Honor Magic V5 will feature a 6.45-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED cover display and an 8-inch 2K 120Hz inner foldable screen. The device will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Its rear camera setup may include a 50-megapixel camera with OIS support, an ultra-wide lens, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, an IPX8 water resistance, and a side-facing fingerprint scanner. Around 6,100 mAh third-generation silicon-carbon battery with 66W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.